Seema Modi has a lot more on AMC and that crazy week. Hey, Seema.
Hey, Carl. Good morning. An incredible run in shares of AMC this week, putting its market cap at nearly $27 billion. Now, that makes the theater chain larger than 40% of all companies in the S&P 500, including big names like United Airlines, Kellogg, and Clorox. A number of stock sales announced this week, roughly 20 million shares in two separate deals, one involving Mudrick Capital, further diluting existing shareholders, which CEO Adam Aron continues to defend on Twitter and in his conversation last night with YouTube host Trey Collins.
If you arm us with a tool to go find value-creating opportunities for AMC shareholders, we can do that. If we're not armed with this tool, then you're tying our hands behind our back, and you'll make it just that much harder for us to land some of these attractive opportunities that benefit us all.
Just to put these stock sales into perspective, from January to May, AMC has raised about $1.6 billion. Short interest, something we've been talking about this week in AMC, it's risen actually to 21% from around 18 or 19% in previous sessions. So short interest in AMC is high, but not as high as some of the other names like Bed Bath & Beyond, Workhorse, which are around 30%. It does remain an actively traded stock. Just this morning, about 55 million shares have exchanged hands in the 30 minutes in trade here. And just to put that into context, the volume on this day last year was just around 8 million shares for the entire session. And a lot of talk, too, guys, about the massive call option volume as well in AMC.
Yeah, Seema, of course, that key stat that you referenced. I mean, I think a year ago they had a little over 100 million shares. Now they've got 520 million shares. And as you heard from Adam Aron, he wants authorization to at least issue another 25 million or have the ability to do so. You can't blame him. This is an opportunity for them to continue to raise a great deal of capital to enable them to pay down debt. Remember, it's a highly levered company. But they've been successful so far, and he has in doing that and using this unusual move in the market to benefit the company so that it does secure a future life, given, how constrained its current business actually may be.
Yeah.
And Mudrick Capital, by the way, which he said on that interview, has been a great help to the company. It's true. It has been. It was there to buy that $100 million piece of paper at 15% coupon that kind of opened the gates for others to consider lending to the company. But as I reported earlier, Mudrick, which also participated in the 8 million share offering or bought 8 million shares at roughly 27, is now out. The equity, that's not where they play. They're a distressed firm. It's the debt that's interesting. They're also out on that front, having obviously secured significant gains on all those debt instruments, as this company did successfully avoid bankruptcy.
And this has been part of Adam Aron's strategy even in the past. Remember, this is a guy who's actually come from hospitality. He's the former CEO of Norwegian Cruise Line, Starwood Capital, David, which was then bought by Marriott, as well as Vail Resorts. In fact, he was called by Newsweek article a couple of years ago as the man who transformed the ski industry when he was the CEO of Vail Resorts, and he issued stock there. And with those companies, when they were going through a tough time, you wonder if this is just sort of part of his strategy. He's done a great job capitalizing on the momentum behind the stock and this investor enthusiasm around AMC, and we'll have to see where it goes from here.
Yeah, lives to fight another day, but what that life actually looks like for this company is still very much unclear to many. Seema, thank you. It's 75 million shares now in volume. Seema Modi.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.